Hey everyone, today we are going to Disney. No shocker there, but we're really excited. We have a couple of things to do. I have to change. He has to change. Make sure to like and subscribe before the video even begins because Vlogmas starts tomorrow, so there's going to be content every single day. So you need to stay tuned for that. But anyways, let's begin. It is 5:31 a.m. and I legitimately can't wait. I need to go now. But we can't. Our parents should be waking up right now.
I'm shaking.
You're shaking?
Yeah, I'm
With excitement?
no, I'm cold.
Oh. I know it hasn't been that long since we had a trip to Disney. That May was the last one. But
What the heck?
what? Monday, I posted a video of my Thanksgiving break, and you should go watch that because it's interesting and it's fun. So, yeah, go watch that. I'm going to pack my final things in my carry-on and get changed. So, yeah, see you in the car. Hello, you can't see me because it's really dark, but we are in the car now, and we got the whole family in here. And Blake's using his phone as a light.
You are a pirate.
Okay. So we're flying with Frontier this trip, but it's okay. It's okay. There's always a Southwest will come to you eventually. But yeah, that is all. Blake's
Professional cameraman right here.
Oh yeah, we got creepy Mickey. And then we have Blake. We made it through with no struggles. But now we're going to our gate. We have how long until our flight?
2.5 hours.
2.5 hours approximately. Yeah, because it got delayed for 30 minutes, but yeah. We can watch the airplanes. Look how pretty this one is. Oh, there goes Southwest. I got my microphone. I'm not gonna clip it to my shirt because I'm lazy. We're kind of just sitting over here now. There's airplanes behind us, but there's not really anything else happening. Our gate is down there, down that hall, but we walked down the hall because we want to see what's down here. So yeah. JK, I put it on my shirt because then it gets my voice at the perfect amount. I'm now going to do some editing. I don't think I'm going to do any schoolwork, but if there's stuff posted, then I will. But here's Blake. And now we're just going to kind of be sitting here for a little bit. Time check. It is 8:12, and our flight's going to be at around 10. We got Starbucks. Thank you. We're going to board now. But they're taking forever and they're checking people's carry-ons and it's really stupid, so. It's the middle of the flight now.
Middle of flight.
And It's been like an hour and a half. How long do we have left then?
Less than an hour.
A little less than an hour. I've watched 2 episodes of Behind the Attraction, and I have 1 more left. That's like 40 minutes long, so hopefully that'll get me towards the end of the flight. If it doesn't, oh well, I'll figure out something to do. Out of the plane. I have a clip like from this exact like spot from May where you go ha ha ha. It's really funny. Where's Blake?
There it is. It's tiny Blake.
Itty bitty baby.
Back there being all shouting.
We gotta rehabilitate with mother. But I took my spirit jersey off. Yeah. I gotta find her. Where is she? Where? Oh. Hi mama. Say hi. We're gonna go now. We're going to get our luggage, but first we have to go on the train. So let's do that. We are getting an Uber now. We are in the hotel now. I changed into shorts and I'm wearing AF1s.
Yo, what's up?
And we got
I'm
Blake.
wearing a Jalen Suggs jersey.
Blake has a Orlando
And I
jersey.
also got this jersey.
Show it to me. Got the Miami one. So yeah, we're heading to Disney Springs now. No hotel tour for All Star Sports because we're only staying here 1 night, and then we're going to Port Orleans tomorrow. Here's a quick little view for anyone who really cares. Here's the family.
Hi, fam.
What's up? Just in World of Disney, we got a suitcase and we filled it with stuff. My brother and my dad are in the Lego store and we're gonna get food either at the hotel or here. I don't know, but I'm starving. We are at Deluxe Burgers and we're gonna get some food because we're hungry. And we're trying to get our parents to let us go to T-Rex Cafe even though we already ordered. But comment below if you think we should have gotten to go to T-Rex Cafe. So that was the end of our traveling vlog. I am very excited to be here, so stay tuned for content every single day for the rest of December until Christmas, because Vlogmas is starting tomorrow. For that, you should follow my Instagram and TikTok at Disney Deluxe Zero for behind the scenes and a bunch of other fun content, and make sure to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a video, because they will be posted at different times every single day. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.